In certain circumstances, it may be desirable that the pod inserts are completed on site immediately after the pipe has been installed within the pod shoe. This can be achieved by supplying the pod shoe, complete with the pod variable insert. This multi-segment variable insert can be finalized and installed on site using only cold work methods and requires no specialized equipment. The pipe is supported within the pod shoe via the temporary jacking bolts. Measurements are taken between the pipe and the inside surface of the pod shoe at 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock positions. With the variable insert segments placed on a flat surface, rotate the inner two segments until the internal circular cutout is in the correct position from the external boundary of the insert. The dimensions at 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock should replicate the dimensions measured between pipe and pod shoe. Scribe a line across the joints of the insert segments to mark their relative positions. Remove the two inner segments and apply adhesive around their edge. Reassemble the insert segments, ensuring the scribed line matches up. Allow the adhesive to cure sufficiently to handle the insert. Use a hand saw to cut the insert into upper and lower segments along a line between the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Use a handsaw to cut the lower insert at its narrowest point. The insert segments can now be installed into the pod shoe. The benefits of the variable insert are as follows. The pod shoe, complete with inserts, can be supplied to site and finished with no delay. The material for each insert segment can be selected to provide specific attributes, such as temperature resistance or friction properties for the segment in contact with the pipe. Outer segments could be in a material suited to damping or isolating vibration. The internal profile of the inner segment can shape to minimize crevices where it contacts the pipe. The pod shoe system now offers two methods for finalizing the inserts. Choose which one best suit your site circumstances.